Hi there. Today I'm in rural Zimbabwe. Ukokwa chakasara kona ngale. We are talking about a very sensitive issue, the issue of the girl child, or should I say child marriages. This case is not being taken seriously. We've got cases of offenders marrying underage girls and walking scot-free. This is happening in the four corners of this country, or should I say ours is a teapot country. As leaders, civic organizations, are we just talking without taking action? Are we doing enough to stop this? We are shattering the future of these young girls. What are we doing as parents? Are we just standing in front of cameras, just talking with no action? Are we getting donor funds just to buy 4x4s, to drive to seminars, to fly to workshops, talking about the girl child, without getting to know what exactly is going on? Join me next week as I will be interviewing some of these victims of child marriages. Anyway, food for thought. Thank you for watching. I am SOFTAZ Lokuza reporting for Mbudziyadura Media. I thank you. Wakata.